Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Solana once again. Here we are, and join me into the Discord. If you guys are interested into the signals as well, you can pause this video and watch the details on how to join. Right there, it's super cheap, like $5. But Discord, all in all, it's actually free. So I don't know if yesterday I talked about this head and shoulder. I talked about it today. So this is actually very painful to watch for you guys, and it's very clear that we do have a left shoulder. We have that huge head right there, and we already print a right shoulder. And right now all you're doing is on the 4 hour time frame, do you see we're being restricted with the 10 EMA right there, and you're kind of making the continued downtrend basically. So I'm actually gonna put like a small trend right there. This like a, no, that's not even a trend, it's just a right shoulder, right? So I'm actually going to remove that trend. That's ridiculous. So at this point of time, based on this bear flag that I actually draw yesterday, we're looking to actually first of all go down to nearly $85, and that's going to actually make you lose this head and shoulder if you go to the $85, because that's where you're losing this yellow neckline right there. So you go to the 85 just like that, and you lose that neckline. You go back to the potentially $89, and then from there, boom, it's a free fall out of that technical target that I'm showing you right now, which is going to take you to the $66, and that's going to be like a dump or a big move to the downside of nearly like 25% to the downside. So guys, it's not good. I've been talking about these trend lines. I've been talking about how we're still restricted in this yellow line, and we're technically still in a downtrend. So how is the monthly candle gonna print out, right? We still have that question. So do you remember that doji, undecisive doji, that hasn't still closed just yet? We still have 9 more days left to actually close the candle. And if by February you actually go all the way down to nearly $64 or $66, then in my opinion by nearly March you're gonna go even more down, because what you're putting here is a three black crows, okay? And that's not a good sign. Three black crows are not good sign, and it could be potentially that March you actually go and bottom out completely, and then from there by April you start to move to the upside as well. So that's it for today's update. Let's see what it does in the next 9 days, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.